And the winner is Madison Cooper.
Thank you.
Madison P. Cooper, why haven't you put these belt buckles up? We talked about this.
It doesn't have a place to go.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain.
Are you tired of your hard-earned belt buckles getting scratched, damaged, and ruined? Are you tired of having no way to transport or carry them? Are you tired of having no efficient way to display them? Well, now you can. Thanks to the inventors at Bare Buckle, all these problems have an easy solution. Introducing the all-new, customizable buckle display rack from the Bare Buckle Company. Complete with ridges on each of the 3 racks to hold your buckles in place while being transported.
Thanks, Bare Buckles!
Shaking.
I'm gonna peck you.
Is he gonna peck your boob?
No.